Welcome back to class. So here is how to make a director a shareholder in your company. So on the company registration portal, on the director details, fill in the personal details of the director. I blurred it out because I don't want to reveal some sensitive information. So once you fill out the director's personal detail, you can make the service address the same as the residential address if it's the same thing. Then you can also hide residential address from public record, but this service will attract an additional fee of 25,000 naira. So you can see this part of make director shareholder. Make director shareholder. Turn it on. Once you turn this button on, you have automatically made this director a shareholder of the company. So when it reaches the time for you to allocate shares, automatically pop up, and then you can allocate the shares you want to allocate to the company. So let me do a recap of what I said. When filling in the company registration, after you have reserved it, we have the part for the director. In that part, after filling in the residential details and the director contact details, you'll see a part of make director shareholder. Toggle the button on and fill in the means of identification. Once you are done, click on the add director details and click on save and continue. So once you click on that save and continue details, this director will be automatically added. Now, if you are using a non-accredited agent portal, you can't edit any information that pops up here. Like, you can't edit the director because the director of that company will be the owner of that account. Owner of that account on CAC, that portal on CAC. And you can't edit it. So that's one of the disadvantages using a non-accredited agent portal.